Krakatoa Resources is rapidly advancing its Zopkhito gold and antimony project. The company is working towards a maiden JORC resource. Mark Majors is CEO. Mark, welcome to mining.com.au.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, heaps.
Mark, can you tell us about the exploration plans at Zopkhito?
Yeah, look, we sort of kicked this thing off in about probably June, and we put one drill rig on. Now we've got two drill rigs from surface, and we've started some underground drilling as well, or coring. Let's say it's handheld machine that we're using there. So, we're working three phases, I guess, of it. We've got a lot of other work ongoing as well. Obviously, with the assays have gone to laboratories. We're working on the geological model again, and also we're looking at opening up other adits, which have been there, the historical adits there. We're flying some drones inside those next week, so it's all moving forward.
Why did you decide to focus on this asset?
I think the key thing here is this asset it's an existing asset. It does have grade, and when it comes down to it, when everything is done, I think grade is king. And with antimony grades, as high as what we have, in the foreign resource, we've got grades of 11.6% antimony. And the gold was never really a factor during the Soviet era, or their research or their studies on this for those 50, 60 years that they did work. So there is a big gold aspect to this as well. So we've seen gold as very bullish at the moment, and will continue to be for the next few years. So obviously that just puts another feather in the cap of this project, but initially, it was antimony was the main focus on this.
Can you talk about antimony and why there's a market for it?
Oh, look, I think all strategic metals are all becoming very just that strategic. Everybody wants ownership over them. Everybody needs that supply chain going forward. Want to be less dominant, say, on Asia or China and other factors there. So we believe these sort of assets are going to be key to opening up those, say, European markets and those other, even some of the other markets that are potentially there as well through the US.
Talk about the milestones that you're going to be achieving over the next 12 months.
Yeah, look, the next 12 months the outlook's pretty good. Obviously with all this drilling going on, we'll have a lot of data coming back from the labs. Our first lot of samples left this week, so that's the first 6 holes that we've drilled. So we hope to get some good results coming out of that as we continue drilling throughout, probably up until probably mid-November, late November, until the snows come and we sort of walk away for a few months. We intend to pretty much delineate areas that we've drilled into potentially JORC-compliant resource base, so that we'll be converting pretty much the historical resource, which is well over 26,000 tonnes of antimony.
Thanks for speaking to mining.com.au.
Yeah, no, thank you very much for having me. It's been a pleasure.